Alright, for the soup recipe, Miranda has a stock pot that holds 350 fluid ounces. How will Miranda's stock, A, will Miranda's stock pot be large enough to hold all of the broth? And B, how do you know? Hint, 1 cubic centimeter equals 0.034 fluid ounces. Select 2 answers for each of the questions. Okay, so I did save the answer, or you could go back to the previous question and know that it was 769.3 cubic centimeters. So on this, we have to convert it from cubic centimeters to fluid ounces. So on this, we have 769.3 cubic centimeters. And the way that I always remember how to set up my proportions, or when I go to convert, I always remember that the, what are these called now? Okay, the units. The units that I want always end up in the numerator. So I want fluid ounces. So I'm going to put 0.034 fluid ounces right here. And I'm going to put 1 cubic centimeter right here. And notice that right here we have a centimeter cubed and a over 1. So like this, we have 1 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. So they would reduce out, and so that's why we would only be left with fluid ounces in the numerator for our final product. So we're going to jump over here, and I'm just going to type in calculator, and we would type in 769.3 times 0.034 fluid ounces, and I don't think you can see that full screen on how I typed it in. So I put 769.3 times 0.034. The reason why I just multiplied that is because it was divided by 1 right here, and dividing anything by 1 is not going to change that value because dividing by 1 keeps the number the exact same. It's like 2 divided by 1. It's 2. So whatever this number was, 0.034 divided by 1 is just 0.034. So that's how come I just multiplied by that instead of multiplying it as the fraction in a parentheses. So then it ends up being 26.15. So this ends up being 26.15 fluid ounces. So then, will Miranda's stock pot be large enough to hold it? It can hold up to 350 fluid ounces. So the answer is yes, because 26.15 is way less than 350. So the broth volume is less than 350 fluid ounces. And that's how to go through and answer and convert this to fluid ounces.